So good day all of you. So we are going to see how to upload files into the Power BI. Presently we are uploading files and we want to monitor the statistics. We want to get the statistics for the motorcycle studio shop. That is actually a bike shop which sell bikes and bike accessories to the market. Okay, we are having 3-year data, 2020, 2021, 2022 data, and based on that we are going to monitor. Okay, and first thing is we are going to get inside the get data. Click on the text CSV. There are multiple ways that you can upload the data, as we saw in the previous sessions. And here text CSV is the Excel file. We have all the information. So text CSV we click, and we want to upload product lookup, this customer lookup, product categories, subcategories, and returns data are already uploaded. So product lookup we want to upload. All these sample data will be given to you in the description. Please go through the description, and you can also download and check. Okay, open. Okay, so first thing first is we have to transform the data. So Power BI works on the ETL mode. ETL is nothing but extract, transform, and load. Okay, so first thing we have to work with the entire data set. We might be having more than 1000 rows. That also we can check. Okay, see, we have more than 500 rows of data. Product lookup, and click on the transform data. Right. So next it will get inside the Power Query editor, as you see in the screen. So Power Query editor, here is where you can transform the data. Like what kind of transformation? You can click on the view and see column quality, see valid 100%, no errors, no null values, no empty values, and look for all the columns. Product subcategory key, valid 100%, no error, no empty values. Product SKU is nothing but shopkeeper's unit, which is nothing but the shopping ID. Okay, the product shopping SKU. Okay, product shopkeeping unit. Product name, model name, product description, everything is coming without any null values, which is nothing but 100% valid. Okay, so here you have to, I will do one thing is I am renaming it. In the right side you can see the properties, which is nothing but the name and the applied steps. See, whatever step you do here will be coming up here. Okay, that is applied step. And the left side, if you see the tables, all the customer lookup, product categories lookup, subcategories lookup, returns data, product lookup, all these are accumulated in the left pane. Okay, this is the main pane. This thing you can close and open. Okay, I'll keep this because I want to look out the applied steps. Okay, so next thing is I want to load one more table, where I will click on the new source and click on the text CSV. Okay, I want to look the territory lookup. Click on open, and see, we only have 10 rows in this table. Click on OK, and here also let me rename it to motorcycle studio territory. I just keep territory lookup. Okay, so we have customer lookup, product categories lookup, subcategories lookup, returns data, product lookup, territory lookup. So based on the territory, how many customers bought this product, based on the territory wise you can also monitor. Okay, and returns data is nothing but one customer is coming to the shop, and he bought a product, and after some time he dislikes the product and he is returning the product. Okay, those data will be stored in this table. Okay, so that also we need to find the statistics, because what kind of good data, good products we have, like. Okay, so that information we can get it from the returns data. Presently this is how we have to upload the files into the Power BI. Click on close and apply. Power BI will have to save the files. You can also click on apply changes, and if you don't apply changes also, Power BI will load it. So 3 views are here. One is report view, data table view, and the model view. Here we are staying in the data table view. You see in the right side, you can see all this customer lookup and the product categories lookup, okay, product lookup, all those information are there in the data. Here this is how you can minimize and maximize, okay. And after that you have to create relationship. Power BI has already created relationship based on the tables we uploaded, okay. Here you can see, okay. So we have to create relationship so that we can create the reports. So this is the final step. We will see how to upload folder, okay, in the upcoming video. So thank you. We will meet in the next session.